Hi guys. Today I want to share with you my experience with MiniTool Partition Wizard, a utility for editing and managing partitions on Windows. It is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. By connecting to the partitionwizard.com site you can download this program in 3 versions, Free, Pro, and Server. I have a license key, and in this video I'll show you how to use the free version, before upgrading to the Pro Ultimate version. The language can be selected from the installer. The installer will be asked you whether to use the free version or try the Pro and the trial version. Installing the Opera browser is optional. In my case I already have 3 browsers on my Windows installation, so I'll check it. A browser window will be open to ask if you want to upgrade to the Pro version, explaining in detail the advantages and how to do it. When it opens, MiniTool Partition Wizard will show you your hard drives, with a list of all the partitions. In my case, I have 3 hard drives. With MiniTool Partition Wizard you can change the size of a partition. To make the changes on each operation, just press Apply. The procedure, as you can see, is very simple. We can create different file systems, for example FAT and FAT32, exFAT for SD cards to put on the Android and iOS phones, and NTFS for Windows, and the main partitions formats for Linux, EXT2, EXT3, EXT4 and the SWAP. Among other supported operations, we can delete a partition. We can convert a FAT partition to NTFS, or merge 2 neighboring partitions supported with the same file system. Here my 2 NTFS partitions become a single 315 GB partition. To make a USB drive bootable, you need to activate the Pro version of the program. The free version allows you to remove, format, copy, align and empty partitions. You can also manage labels and letters for each drive, change the serial number and even hide partitions. MiniTool Partition Wizard also allows you to benchmark disk partitions, as long as a Windows-supported file system is present. also a disk space analyzer, able to list all folders and files, even separately from each other, in order to identify the elements that take up the most space on the disk. To activate, click on Register. If you have an activation key, just copy and paste it, and confirm the registration. All the extra functions are unlocked in an instant. By clicking on the bootable media icon, you can create a bootable recovery tool as ISO or as USB drive. By clicking on Migrate OS to SSD/HD Wizard, it will be possible to move the operating system to another hard disk. Read the options carefully. We can move the system to another partition by deleting the one we are using, or copy everything while keeping our hard disk intact. It is also possible to keep the format of the partitions, without having to extend them. In this case, I'm copying my Windows 10 while I'm using the program and recording this video. This tool is useful for administering all Windows partitions easily. However, if you want to create partitions for Linux, the time required will be longer than other dedicated tools for that system. But for everything else, it's a flawless tool, automating tons of operations with just a few clicks. Its user interface is also much more intuitive than many other tools, and rich in still features. Its strong point, in my opinion, is the ease with which it can save data and scan the Windows file system for errors. This is an essential requirement in case your system is bricked. Buying this tool certainly allows to save many users in case the system does not start. What has left me perplexed is the poor compatibility with Linux dedicated file systems. Even creating an EXT4 file with this tool takes almost as long as it took me to clone the Windows system. However, it is a program that I recommend to all Windows users who want to prepare to save their system in case of problems. Connect to the partitionwizard.com website and download this program to test its advantages for yourself. And if you really want to buy the Pro version, it will be an excellent investment.